Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right to access the network. Do not attempt recovery on networks you do not control. Once done, make sure you have the device that was previously connected and the router nearby. Keep your router's admin username/password or ISP paperwork ready. You'll avoid illegal steps and simplify recovery by preparing these items now. If you can't produce permission, stop and contact the network owner or ISP for legitimate support before proceeding. Next, look for saved credentials on devices you own. Android and modern systems let you export or share Wi-Fi info using built-in tools, and desktop OSes store networks you can view when signed into your account. Once you check password managers and any browser-saved logins, try the router's admin page using the label credentials. You'll often find or reset Wi-Fi passphrases there. Make sure to log in legitimately and avoid third-party shortcuts that promise unauthorized access. Finally, if you are the owner, change or reveal the Wi-Fi password through the router's administrative interface. If you cannot log in, a factory reset will restore default credentials printed on the device. Once done, set a strong passphrase and save it in a secure password manager. If any step fails, contact the ISP or network administrator for verified support. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit errors, verify you have permission and device updates. Avoid tools that bypass security and ask for professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.